In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not working. Now, when we try to search here anything and press enter, there is no any result appear because unknown reason. But when we try another web browser and try to search anything here, the results are appear like this. Now, how to fix this? Let's start. Click on another tab and write here Chrome colon / settings and press enter button. Now we are on settings section. On this section, scroll down this window and click on About Chrome option. Now you can see here Google Chrome is updating. It's updating. It's almost done. Now click on Relaunch button. Google Chrome will appear after relaunch. Now your PC should be restored. After restart your PC or laptop, now try to search here and press enter button. You can see here results are appear. This easy and simple method you can fix Google Chrome not working problem. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.